think I might have to tighten up a belt though.
Roads are just brilliant. Hi everyone, welcome along to another... Right, okay, I'll introduce you this way, shall I?
Wife are just laughing at me. Come on, sit back. You can be in part of the video now. I'm sure everyone's going to want to see.
She doesn't want to be in it yet. Can you stop? Can you be quiet? Okay, so today's video is I'm actually going on a road trip with my wife, Cheryl. She's so camera awkward. So I thought, yeah, I'll do a little video on it as well. So currently we are in the train on our way to France, and I'm on my way to, I think, Friedrichstadt to Black Forest area, and there's a road there, B500, which I'm going to do some driving on. I'll do a little video, thought I'd make a change from the normal what's happening in the workshop and everything else. So it's been good, really hot today, weather's been nice, got a good start, and so far car's been working well, so I'll take you along on the journey later on. See how it goes, shall we?
Okay, so just come out the tunnel in France, weather's good, time to go onto the A16 and start heading our way to Germany. Let's see how it goes. Forest over there. I think we're about 40 kilometers away now. Not far to go to the hotel. So far it's been a straight 10-hour drive. Well, it will be a 10-hour drive until we get to the hotel, and 3 tanks of fuel. Been cruising, it's actually been really good. Been cruising at about 90 miles an hour all the way here. Engine temps and oil temps just been sitting at 90 degrees. Quite pleased about that, considering it's like the hottest weekend of the year. Right, catch you in a mo. Well, what a drive that was. Really enjoyable. We've just checked in at the hotel, just booked in to have some food and stuff. I'm pretty tired really, been going on since this morning. Place is nice, happy with that. It's been so hot today. Yeah, we just left at 6:15 this morning and we got here at about 5:15. Although they're plus 1 hour, it was just solid driving. The car held up really well. I was just, the second part of the journey, I was just at just about 95 all the way through, so I'm just going to give it a few checks over now, and then tomorrow I'm going to seek out some roads. So we'll see what happens. I'm off to enjoy a steak and a beer now, so see you tomorrow, or in a minute. Okay, morning everyone, it's Saturday morning. We've got up early to go and check out the B500 and a couple of other roads from talking to a few people in the hotel, so I'm going to go and drive on them and then hopefully do a little bit of videoing for you. So let's see how it goes. This is another nice day today, so should be good.
really good. There's hardly been any traffic on the roads, sticking to the speed limits-ish, not being too silly because there's big drops, but we're coming back this way, so it should be fun. It's just really picturesque. Roadworks going on and stuff, but I mean, we've been on this road, I think it's for like 19 miles, and it's just constantly twists, bends, and trucks that are in front. Great driving road though, it's probably one of the best roads I've ever driven on. So I just stopped off on the B500 still. That clip you just saw was just part of a section of the road which I thought would be good to do a bit of a shot for, but we're pretty much near the top. There's a nice hotel just round that corner, but this is obviously in the Black Forest. So it's pretty good. Car's been holding up well. I haven't done an outside shot of it yet, but there's, well, apart from the one you just saw driving, did some checks on it this morning, so it's, you know, on the motorway, as I said, I was sitting at pretty much 95 all the way in those really hot temperatures, like 30-degree heat, and my engine temps and oil temps were good, so no leaks. I think I might have to tighten up a belt though. I think it's not squeaking, but it was just making a little bit of a noise. So that's where all the fun's happening. So I think we're now on our way to find another road, which is just off the B500, and some waterfalls. You enjoying yourself, Joel?
Fabulous.
So I'm gonna go and try and track some waterfalls down. Okay, Sunday morning, start of the drive back home. Literally just left the hotel. It's gonna be another hot day. Saying it's 532 miles till we get home. So let's see. I think it's 8:30. Should make some good time. I'm going to go back home a different way, only slightly different. Just not so many of the toll roads. Yeah. So hope things go alright.
Okay, hi. I did do an outro for the video you've just watched, but I think it just disappeared and that. So just want to say that was a road trip that I did earlier this year when we were sort of between when we could go out and do stuff. Still, we went to Germany. Yeah, it was a really good time. I really enjoyed myself. The car performed really well, and I'm looking forward to doing some more next year. And I've got some more tips on the way I filmed it. The wife was doing some of the videoing, so apologies for that. But I think she did an okay job, considering she hadn't had the camera in her hand before. I think over the weekend or over the 3 days, it was over the Friday. We left to go there on Friday. Was in Germany for the day on the Saturday, and then came back Sunday. And it was, I think I did about 1,000 miles over those 3 days. Yeah, it was just really good. Well worth recommending it. I'm going to do another trip next year and we'll film it. I'm going to go back to the B500 and explore a bit more, maybe with a few other people, and have a bit of a laugh. This time my drive through was going to go through to Luxembourg, but because literally the night before Belgium was going into its, if you had to go to Belgium you had to quarantine, so I detoured and I just went straight through France and into Germany. When I go next year, I think I'm going to go and drive to Luxembourg and stop there for one night, then on to Germany where the Black Forest is for the B500 and have 2 nights there, and then come back the following day. So I think that would be a better trip. So thanks for watching. We actually are in the process of doing some more videos, so more to come. Alright, cheers, bye bye.